Hey guys, and welcome back to S2H. If you clicked on this video, you probably bought a Realme device and you're stuck with all the junk that it comes with. Before we remove those apps, I use Nova Launcher to get near stock experience. I moved all the Realme applications to a folder named junk, and those are the apps that we'll be removing today. For this you'll be needing a PC and ADB files, which will be in the description. Open the settings app on your mobile. Scroll all the way down to About Phone. Click on Baseband and Kernel and tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. After that's done, go back to your settings page and click on additional settings. There you'll find developer options. Open developer options and enable. After enabling, scroll down until you find USB debugging and enable it. When you connect the phone to your PC, click on Allow to allow USB debugging on your phone. Moving to the PC, download the ADB folder to your PC. Open the folder, hold down Shift and click on right mouse button. You will see an option Open Command Prompt here. Click on that. An ADB shell will appear. To confirm your device connected to your PC, type ADB devices. Once it shows your device, now click on ADB shell to enable interaction between the phone and your PC. Also download the notes from the description where I have the package names of the application which you want to uninstall. Simply copy and paste the codes line by line into the ADB shell. If you follow the steps correctly, the CMD prompt will say success upon each uninstall. That's it for the video. Stay safe. Catch you guys in the next one.